Hello, great minds. Good day to you all. My name still remains Godday Ocheme. Today, I want to show you how to install a virtual machine on your Windows operating system. In cybersecurity, virtual machines are very important because majority of what we want to do will be hosting it virtually. So please kindly follow me as we continue in today's class. So go to your browser and search for. We have various virtual machine we're using, but for our class we'll be making use of virtualbox. So search for virtualbox. Okay, you see it here on this one. Click on it. So there's virtualbox here. You look at it here. So click on download. When you click on download, you see it here, virtualbox 7.0.81. Then the platform, so you see Windows host. If you are using Mac, you can choose Mac. If you are using a Linux operating distribution, you can use Linux. So for today, we are making use of Windows operating system, and therefore we'll click on Windows. Look at here. It's downloading here. So it's downloading here. So we have finished downloading it. So let us check it. I save it under a file here. I save it under here. Let's see. So look at it here. Just check it out. It's here. Where is it? Okay. Let's check it where it is. This is virtual. This is, let me scroll down. Okay, look at it here. Virtual box. So what you need to do, you need to click on it, right click, then you see open or run as an administrator. Just click run as an administrator. That is all you need at the moment. So that's all you need. So install your virtualbox. So when you finish installing it, you see that it is here. This is, you see a desktop icon. Click on it. Let's give it some time and see how it will look like. Let's give it a time. So look at it now. This is our virtualbox. Let's look at it. Look at how it is. Just forget about this one. This one I've already installed some this thing, but if you have not installed anything, to be playing here. So look at our virtualbox, our virtual machine. So the next thing you need to install, as you are downloading it, please download the extension. You see the extension here. You see virtualbox extension. So whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux, you will see virtualbox extension. Please download that. When you are downloading, I've already downloaded. So let me go back to my folder where I saved them. So look at it here. All you need to do, reinstall it back, open it, click on open. Let's say we open it now. Look at it here. It's saying that this extension is already installed. So if you want to install, just click reinstall. But since I've already installed it, I'm not going to reinstall again. So I will cancel that. So this is how you install your virtual machine on your Windows operating system. Thank you very much and see you in our next class. Please don't forget to follow me. If you are following me on YouTube, please don't forget to follow me at Ocheme. If you are following me on Facebook, follow me at Learn It with Ocheme. See you in our next class. Thank you and see you later.